Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I imagine that this tutorial will be useful if, for example, you've changed the language accidentally or you have no idea how it happened. I try to explain everything as graphical as I can. So let's begin with finding settings. The settings. So we have to find the gear icon and tap on it. So here we've got the general list of the settings, and all you have to do here is to scroll all the way down and find those 3 bars icon, 3 switchers icon, which is general management. And now we have to simply tap on this first language at the very top. So right here we've got the list of languages that were previously applied, and if you can find the language, your language which you'd like to apply, all you have to do is to simply tap on it and then tap on this blue icon to apply. And now we've got different language applied. If you do not have the language here, no worries, just tap on this plus icon and you'll be transferred to the full list of available languages. So here all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on it. You can also choose the region, so just do it, and here tap on this right option. And as you can see, now we've got Turkish language applied. So let me quickly set English, so just tap on it, tap on change. And here we can remove the languages just by tapping on edit in the right upper corner, mark the languages and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and we've got only 1 language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.